Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious, healthy orange chicken. I've been on a health kick lately. I'm just trying to eat more protein, but I don't want to sacrifice taste for health. I've done that before. I've gotten rid of carbs. It makes me super sad. I'd be sitting there wondering, why is my life so horrible? And I realize no carbs. So I'm a Libra. Balance is important. We'll be using chicken breast instead of chicken thigh to keep it super healthy. I found a little trick from mom and pop Chinese restaurants where they use baking soda. So we'll be doing that when we marinate our chicken. The result is delicious. It's healthy, it's easy, and you'll love it. Let's get to it. Cook 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. Cut your chicken into about 3/4 inch strips. Chop or crush 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. I'm using extra because we know how I feel about vampires. Prepare 2 teaspoons of orange zest. Chop your scallions and set aside. To marinate your chicken, start with half a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Stir and let marinate for 20 minutes so the acid and baking soda can make the chicken extra tender. To start our sauce, let's start with 1/3 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of chili garlic, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and give it a good stir. To cook our chicken, let's start with a tablespoon of avocado oil, add in your 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and saute for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Add in your chicken and let it cook until the bottom is crisp. Then flip your chicken and let the other sides crisp. Add in your sauce and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your scallions and let the sauce thicken and cook until the chicken is tender and thoroughly cooked. Top your finished product with some sesame seeds, some scallions, and enjoy, friends. Bon appétit!